viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to hide taskbar icons in Windows 11. Right click on Windows Start button. Click on Settings. Click on Personalization present at the left side of the screen. Scroll down and click on Taskbar. Under Taskbar Items, toggle the button to Off position to hide the icons. Now you can see icons are hidden on the taskbar. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. And for more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And kindly hit the bell icon to get notification of our latest videos.